What's the meaning of Berwick-upon-Tweed? Berwick-upon-Tweed. Berwick-upon-Tweed.
Berwick-upon-Tweed. Berwick-upon-Tweed. Berwick-upon-Tweed is a town situated in the northernmost part of England that borders Scotland. The name Berwick is derived from the Old English words ber meaning barley and wic meaning village or settlement, indicating that it was once a locale for growing and trading barley. Upon-Tweed refers to its location on the River Tweed, a major river that flows through both Scotland and England before emptying into the North Sea. The town has a rich history, having been fought over by the English and Scots for centuries due to its strategic importance as a border town. Today, it is known for its distinctive architecture, pleasant seaside location, and rich cultural heritage.